The holidays are meant to be a time of joy and togetherness, but they can also come with a lot of stress, especially if your home is considered the designated hosting site. Hi, I'm Sofia Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and today we're explaining why your current space might be causing holiday headaches and how a custom home could be the solution to your problems. At AV Architects and Builders, we believe your home should be a source of joy and convenience, especially during the holidays. Yet for many homeowners, the opposite is true. Whether you're hosting family for Thanksgiving or friends for New Year's, your space needs to support your gatherings, not complicate them. Here are 8 reasons why your home might be falling short during the holiday season, and how thoughtful custom home design can make a world of difference. During the holidays, your grocery list triples, yet your pantry remains the same size. As a result, you end up storing food in the basement, garage, or any available space you can find. This leads to the hassle of hauling food up and down stairs whenever you need it, which can be both time-consuming and inconvenient. The solution? Design a larger and more functional pantry space with shelves and storage units built in to hold bulk items, holiday-specific foods, and supplies. A dedicated pantry area will help you keep everything in one place and reduce the chaos when preparing your holiday meals. Between the turkey, pies, drinks, and all the sides, the food alone can fill up your fridge during the holidays. If you have to rely on only one refrigerator in the kitchen, you may quickly find it's just not enough. People often end up having to store food in a fridge in the basement, garage, or mudroom. The solution? Plan for a second refrigerator, ideally in a location that's easy to access from the kitchen or dining area. You can even designate the different fridges for different uses, like one for food, the other for drinks, and overflow items. This will help you store all your holiday necessities in the kitchen, making it easier to find what you need without the hassle of running around the house. Holiday meals means lots of cooking and even more cleaning. One dishwasher and a single trash can just aren't enough to handle the amount of dishes, trash, and recyclables that pile up when you're hosting. You'll find yourself running back and forth to the trash, or scrambling to get through all the dishes in time for the next course, while missing out on the holiday fun. Plan for a second or even third dishwasher for efficient post-party cleanup, and have multiple trash cans throughout the kitchen. This will help keep things tidy and ensure you're not overwhelmed with cleaning up while the party is still going on. When family comes to stay, having comfortable guest rooms becomes essential. Unfortunately, many standard guest rooms are designed with children in mind, making them too small to accommodate adult couples or older parents. This lack of space can leave your guests feeling cramped and uncomfortable during their stay in your home. The solution? Design large enough guest rooms that can easily fit an adult couple or multiple guests. Ideally, these rooms should come with their own ensuite bathroom, offering your guests a hotel-like experience. This ensures comfort and privacy, making their stay more enjoyable. The dining room is often one of the most underused spaces in the home, reserved mainly for big gatherings like Thanksgiving, Christmas, or Passover. But these rooms are usually either too small for the largest family gatherings or too large for everyday use. Furthermore, many dining rooms are located too far from the kitchen, making it impractical and inefficient for everyday use. The solution? Consider designing an open concept dining area that connects seamlessly with the kitchen. This will allow for larger gatherings while also maintaining functionality for day-to-day meals. A dining area that is flexible in size and can be easily adjusted to accommodate both large groups and everyday use will make your home more functional year-round. The kitchen is often the hub of the holiday season, but with so many people cooking and prepping, it can quickly feel cramped. If you don't have designated zones for different tasks like food prep, drink making, baking, and coffee brewing, you'll end up with multiple people all trying to do work in the same space, leading to frustration and inefficiency. The solution? Create distinct zones in your kitchen to ensure multiple people can work at the same time without getting in each other's way. Consider a prep zone, a baking station, a coffee nook, or a drink station to give everyone their own space to work, making meal prep and entertaining easier. If you have a large family or often host guests during the holidays, you know how quickly laundry can pile up. With everyone staying in your home, you'll need to wash and dry clothes, linens, and towels at a much higher volume than usual. If you only have one laundry room, it can become a bottleneck during busy times. The solution? If your home is large enough, consider planning for a second laundry room or designated laundry area near guest rooms or the mudroom. This will help you stay on top of laundry without clogging up your primary laundry space. During the holiday rush, pets can sometimes get overlooked, especially with all the guests and cooking happening. You don't want your dogs underfoot while you're trying to prepare meals or possibly escaping while opening and closing the door to greet guests. The solution? Consider designing a dedicated pet room with a pet shower that connects to a fenced-in yard. This space can help keep your dog calm and happy in their own room and out of the party chaos. The holidays should be a time to create memories, not to stress over inefficient spaces. At AV Architects and Builders, we believe in designing custom homes that elevate every aspect of your life, from daily living to special celebrations. If you're tired of fighting your home during the holidays, let's talk. Schedule a discovery call today and explore how a well-designed custom home can transform every day and every season. For more tips and inspiration, visit our Learning Center and let's build a space that works for you year-round. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy holidays!